Good morning, CMS. Today is October 23rd, Friday, October 23rd. It's going to be a great day because it's a Friday. Now, with that being said, we are going to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance right now. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everybody. Today's menu is chicken Anaheim burrito with salsa and sour cream, refried beans, carrot sticks, mixed fruit, and fresh fruit. Choice B, sausage pizza. Now we move on to Monday's menu. Choice A, hot ham and cheese on a bun with baked chips, baked beans, fresh vegetables, mixed fruit cup, or fresh fruit. Choice B, cheesy bread with marinara. Breakfast is going to be a breakfast kit with milk. All right, now we move on to the Tri-C Distributors fundraising. Okay, the PTO is doing this. They are going to be teaming up with the Tri-C Distributors. Because that COVID canceled a lot of the things, they're actually preparing for next year. So sales will begin for this fundraiser October 22nd, 2020. It's going to end November 11th, 2020. The web link can be found on the morning announcement webpage or on Mr. Madigan's blog. Now, we have a special little graphic here. Let's celebrate Halloween. That's right, Halloween is coming up next Friday. That's a week from now. Student Council encourages you to celebrate Halloween on Friday. You can dress up for this. You can wear costumes as long as they fit under a specific criteria. A literary/movie character, or maybe it's career-based, or maybe historical figure. You could dress up as all those. Please note that no Halloween masks, nor gore, nor clowns are permitted. Costumes must be school appropriate. Thank you. Red Ribbon Week is coming up. For Wednesday, October 28th, district-wide Wear Red. It's a spirit day. So let's wear red for Red Ribbon Week. We now move on to the shout-outs. The shout-outs for 6th grade go to Ava White on the Yeti team because you are always respectful to your teachers and classmates. Thank you for representing our team with excellent citizenship, Ava. We go to the 7th grade shout-out. The 7th grade shout-out. Eva Barth on the Clover Squad is always inquisitive and polite. Now, we move on to the 8th grade shout-out. The 8th grade shout-out, the Fiesta team. Cameron Fortney on the Fiesta team for always holding the door to Trailer 1A. Now, it is time for the staff shout-out. This one goes to Mrs. Drogel for being flexible and willing to help. Great job. I'm assuming it's great job. Great job setting expectations for our students. Responsible, respectful, and safe. Now we've got a full bulletin board here. Okay, if we're looking at it, we're going to start out. Next week starts Red Ribbon Week, the 26th to the 30th. Then we have Wearing Your Red Spirit Day outfit, October 28th. And then October 30th, we're going to celebrate Halloween in school-appropriate costumes. Now, November 6th ends the first quarter, and then we move on to the second quarter, November 9th. And of course, Turkey Day, to the 25th to the 27th for Thanksgiving break. Quote of the day: the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. And maybe spiders. All right, so happy Halloween. That's a happy Halloween quote. Now we move on to students. Remember your Colt pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. All right, everyone, have a wonderful Friday. Also have a wonderful weekend. Be safe, be smart, make good decisions, and be blessed, Cloverleaf. Take care.